Hi guys, hi everybody, hi everyone. Hey, how's it going? Today I want to show you how to play on an arcade machine for free. I was playing Tekken on this. So first thing I'm gonna do is go back to the menu. All right, we're gonna go back to the main menu. As you can see, this is the main menu. So the first thing you want to do is to get inside the settings of the arcade. Usually it's locked on the back, but usually it's this button that goes to the settings. So I just open this up, and they usually disconnect this from here, otherwise you could go to the settings easily. But if you get access to it, press this button over here, and as you can see, it will bring you to and as you can see right now we're in the settings. So what you want to do is go to the game settings. All right, and then you got to go back, and then you go to the system config, and there you can see it says credit setting free play. Usually it's usually in this way, 1:1 or something like that. What you have to do is keep pressing the A button until this reaches to 9, and then switches, keep pressing until it's at 9, and there you go, you have free play. And now you can save this and you can play for free.